Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm dealing with 8th class maths, area of plane figures, example 2. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 9 centimeters and 7 centimeters long and the distance between them is 6 centimeters. Find the area of a trapezium. So this is the figure given in your textbook. These two are parallel sides. One is 9 centimeters and one is 7 centimeters, and the distance between them is 6 centimeters. This is the distance between the 6 centimeters. Now you have to find the area of a trapezium. So what is the formula that you will write for area of a trapezium? Area of trapezium, half h into a plus b. I hope you remember which I have derived this equation, children. In the this formula I have derived in the previous video. You can go through it once again. So here h value is given as 6 centimeters, a is taken as 7 centimeters, b is taken as 9 centimeters. So area of trapezium is equal to half into h6 into 7 plus 9. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 3 into this is 16. 16 threes are 48. 48 square centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. So once again, this is the figure that is given to us in this trapezium. This is a trapezium in which two sides are parallel and one is 9, one is 7 centimeters. Distance between them is 6 centimeters. You have to find area of trapezium is half h into a plus b. So h height is 6 centimeters, a is 7 centimeters, b is 9 centimeters. So area of trapezium half h into a plus b. So 2 threes are 6 here, 3 into 16, that is 48 square centimeters is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, example 3, children. Area of a trapezium is 480 square centimeters. Length of one of the parallel sides is 24 centimeters and the distance between the parallel side is 8 centimeters. Find the area of the other parallel side. So what is given to us? Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 480 square centimeters. And distance between them means they have given height. What is the height? Distance between the parallel side is 8 centimeters. And one of the parallel sides, that is A, is given as 24 centimeters. And what is B? This is the question. Area they have given 480 square centimeters, and height, because they said distance between the parallel sides is 8 centimeters, means height is 8 centimeters, and one of the sides, that is A, is 24 centimeters, and you need to find out what is the other side. So we know that area of trapezium is given as 480 square centimeters. Half h into a plus b is equal to 480. That is half into 8 into 24 plus b is equal to 480. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what are you getting? 4 into 24 plus b is equal to 480. So what is 24 plus b? 480 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 24 plus b is equal to 120. So what is b? 120 minus 24. So from 120, if you subtract 24, 6 here, 9 here, 96 centimeters is the other parallel side of the uh, trapezium. So therefore, the other side, other parallel side, let me write it as other parallel side, other parallel side of the trapezium is equal to 96 centimeters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Once again, area of a trapezium is 480 square centimeters. Length of one of the parallel sides is 24. So out of A and B, A is 24. And the distance between the parallel sides is 8 centimeters. Distance between the parallel sides means height is 8 centimeters. Now what is B? We know area of trapezium, they have given 480. The formula for area of trapezium, half h into a plus b is 480. So half into h is 8 into 24 plus b is 480. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into 24 plus b is 480. So 24 plus b is 480 by 4. I send this 4 here. Multiplication becomes division. So 24 plus b is 120. So b is 120 minus 24. That is 96 centimeters is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now, example 4 is the ratio of lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 4 is to 1. So, parallel sides means one side is A is to the other side B is equal to 4 is to 1. That means you consider let A is equal to 4x, B is equal to x. And the distance between them is 10 centimeters, means height is given as 10 centimeters. Area of the trapezium is 500. Area of trapezium is given as 500 square centimeters. Now, what are this? Lengths of the parallel sides they are asking. Area of trapezium 500 means we know that it is half h into a plus b is equal to 500. That is half into h is 10 into a is 4x plus b is x is equal to 500. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. That is 5 into 5x is equal to 500. That means x is equal to 500 divided by 5 into 5. This 5 into 5 I have written here. So 5 ones are 0 0, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 means b is equal to 20 centimeters because b is considered as x. A is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 20, that is 80 centimeters. So find the lengths of parallel sides. Therefore, the lengths of parallel sides is equal to 20 centimeters and 80 centimeters. This is the answer, children. So, the ratio of the lengths of parallel sides of a trapezium is 4 is to 1. A is to B is 4 is to 1. The distance between them is 10 centimeters. That is, height is 10 centimeters. If the area of trapezium is 500 square centimeters, find the length of the parallel side. Area of the trapezium, half h into a plus b is 500. That is, half into h is 10 into 4x plus x is 500. 2 ones are 2 5s are. 5 into 4x plus x is 5x is equal to 500. So x is equal to 500 divided by 5 into 5. So this is 20 centimeters. So x is 20 centimeters means B is 20 centimeters. A is 4x, 4 into 20, 80 centimeters. So 20 centimeters and 80 centimeters are the answers for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, in this figure, children, example 5, in the given figure, ABED is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram in which AB is equal to DE is equal to 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters they have given. Area of triangle BEC is equal to 72 square centimeters, and if CE is equal to 16 centimeters, find the area of trapezium. So actually area of trapezium is equal to, see, total trapezium you have got because of area of parallelogram ABED plus area of triangle BEC. If you add these two, you will be getting. So area of triangle already they have given us 72 square centimeters. You need to find out area of parallelogram. So what is area of parallelogram ABED? This is nothing but base into height is the formula. Base is 10 centimeters you have, but height you don't have. So first you need to find out height. How will you find out? They have given area of the triangle and also the base of the triangle is there. Half base into height is the formula which will tell you to find out the area of, find out the measure of height. So let us do that. So area of triangle BEC is equal to 72 square centimeters. Area of triangle BEC is half, base into height is 72. So half into base is 16 centimeters. This is the base 16 centimeters into height is 72. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 8h is equal to 72. So what is h? 72 by 8. 8 9s are 72. So h is 9 centimeters. So area of parallelogram ABED. ABED is equal to base into height. So for this, base is 10 centimeters into height is 9 centimeters, 90 centimeters, square centimeters or centimeters or square. So area of trapezium is equal to 90 plus triangle area is 72. So how much are you getting? 216, 162 square centimeters is the answer. The area for trapezium is 162 square centimeters. So once again, let us have a look of this problem, children. ABED is a parallelogram with base 10 centimeters, AB and DE also 10 centimeters. And BCE or BEC is a triangle. Their base is 16 centimeters and area is 72 square centimeters. Now find the area of trapezium ABCD. So area of trapezium ABCD is nothing but area of a parallelogram ABED plus area of triangle BEC. Of course, they have given area of triangle. But to find out area of parallelogram ABED, the formula is base into height. Base 10 you have got, height you don't know. But you can determine height by using the triangle area which is given to us. Area of triangle BEC is 72. So half into base into height is 72. So 1 by 2 into 16 into h is 72. 2 ones are 2 8. 8 h is 72. H is equal to 72 by 8, that is 9 centimeters. We have got height as 9 centimeters. So area of parallelogram is base into height, 10 into 9, 19 square centimeters. So area of trapezium is 90 plus triangle they have given 72. If you add 162 square centimeters is the answer for this problem. Children, please note it down. Now, example 6, children. Mohan wants to buy a field on a river side. A plot of the field is as shown in the adjacent figure is available for sale. This is the plot that is available. This is road. This side is road. This side is a river. The length of the river side is, the length of the plot on the river side is double to the length of the road side. So instead of road side plot, length of the river side plot is double. And the area of the field is 10,500 square centimeters. The distance between the river and the road side is 100 meters. Find the length of the river side plot. What did they say? The length of the river side is double to the length of the road side. So let the length of the road side is equal to x meters. If it is x meters, then the length of the river side is, they said, see, the length of the river side is double the length of the road side. Double means 2x meters. And the distance between them, the distance between the river and the roadside is 100 meters. So that is h is given as 100 meters. So here length of the roadside is x meters means what? This is nothing but a is equal to x meters and river side b is equal to 2x meters. Now area of the field. Area of the field is area of the trapezium, that is 10,500 square meters. 500 square meters. This is nothing but area of trapezium, half h into a plus b is equal to 10,500. That is half into h is 100 into a is x plus 2x is equal to 10,500. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 50 into 3x is equal to 10500. So what is x? X is equal to 10500, 10,500 by 50 into 3. 50 into 3. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 5 twos are, 5 ones are 0. So 3 sevens are 0. So 70. X is 70. Now the question is the question is find the length of the river side plot. Find the length of the river side plot. So river side plot, how much you have got here? River side plot is 2x. So the length of the river side plot is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 70, that is 140 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. So in the textbook they have given a figure like this. Mohan wants to buy a field on the river side. See, this is river. On this river side he wanted. A plot of the field is, as shown in the adjacent figure, is available for sale. This plot is available for sale. The length of the river side, this side, is double the length of the road side. Whatever is its length here, double of it is there here. And these two are parallel. And the area of the field, the whole field area is 10,500 square meters, children, not centimeters, square meters. And the distance between the river and the road side is 100 meters. Find the length of the river side of the plot. So length of the road side we are considering it as x meters, because the length of the river side is double the length of road side, they said. So length of the river side is 2 into x. H is given, distance is 100 meters, and A is x meters, B is 2x meters. Area of the field is 10,500. That is half h into a plus b is 10,500. Half into 100 into x plus 2x is 10,500. So 50 into 3x is 10,500. So x is equal to 10,500 by 50 into 3. You are getting 70. But length of the river side is 2x. 2 into 70, 140 meters, children. This is the answer for this problem. Please note it down. Now, children, the next one, finding out area. There is a derivation we are doing, area of quadrilateral. Suppose you have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and AC is the diagonal. You want to find out area of this quadrilateral, means you have to draw a perpendicular from here to here, DE and BF perpendicular. So one is called H1 and one is called H2. So area of ABCD is equal to, since it is a quadrilateral, there is no relation among the sides and angles. So we will be considering it is nothing but area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So let me consider ABC H1, this as H2. So area of triangle ABC is nothing but, you can write it as half base into height is the formula, no? So half into AC, base is AC, into H1 plus area of triangle ADC is also half into base is AC into H2. So in both the cases, half is common, into AC is common, into H1 plus H2. Now children, what is this AC? AC is the diagonal of the quadrilateral. Half D into H1 plus H2. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral is equal to half D into H1 plus H2. This is the derivation, children, for finding out area of a quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral, AC is the diagonal, H1 is the height of the triangle ABC and H2 is the height of triangle ADC. So area of area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC, half base into height. Base is AC into H1 and this is also half base AC into H2. So in these two, half into AC is common, so H1 plus H2. Since AC is diagonal, half D into H1 plus H2 is the formula that we have derived for area of a quadrilateral, children. Please note it down. In example 7, children, they have given this figure. Sorry, ABCD is the quadrilateral. You need to find out its area. So here, this is considered as H1, this is considered as H2. From D to B 11 centimeters and from A to C 12 centimeters. Now let us see what is area of ABCD. The formula is half D into H1 plus H2, where half into D is the diagonal 11 centimeters into H1 plus H2. See, from here to here it is H1, from here to here it is H2. The total length is 12 centimeters, means H1 plus H2 is 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is 11 into 6, that is 66 square centimeters is the area of ABCD. So the figure is given in this way. ABCD is a quadrilateral, BD is the diagonal, distance between B and D is 11 centimeters, and distance between A and C is he is 12 centimeters. So actually for a quadrilateral, this is the diagonal and we need H1 plus H2. So from here to here it is H1, from here to here it is H2. So half D into H1 plus H2, half diagonal 11 into H1 plus H2, 12. So we are getting 11 into 6, 2 6 are 12, so 11 into 6, 66 square centimeters is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now we are going to talk about area of a rhombus. Rhombus is a figure in this way in which the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. If you have the diagonals perpendicular bisectors, then that is a rhombus ABCD in which all sides are equal, diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So here, if you want area of ABCD, you are getting area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. This is area of triangle ABD is half into ABD, half into BD. BD into, let me consider this as O is the point, midpoint I can say, of diagonals, half BD into AO plus area of triangle BCD half BD into OC. So in both the cases half BD, half into BD into AO plus OC. That is half into BD into AO plus OC is AC. That is half into BD is one diagonal into AC is another diagonal. So area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2, or we can also write half D1 D2. Anyway, we can write, children. This is the formula for area of a rhombus. So once again, rhombus is such a figure, it's like a square in which all four sides are equal, but the main difference is angles. The angles of a square all are 90 degrees, but these are acute and obtuse angles. And here, the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendiculars as well as bisectors. Divide each one into two equal halves. So area of ABCD can be written as area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So area of triangle ABD half BD into AO, half base into height. Area of BCD half BD into OC. So in both the cases, half and BD common, I have taken it out, into AO plus OC. AO plus OC is nothing but AC. BD is one diagonal into AC is another diagonal. So D1 D2 by 2. Half D1 D2 is the formula for area of rhombus. Please note it down. Now example 8, children. Find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are of length 10 centimeters and 8.2 centimeters. So what did they give? Diagonals. D1 is 10 centimeters and D2 is 8.2 centimeters. So, area of rhombus is equal to half D1 D2. That is half into 10 into 8.2. 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 twos are 10, 5 eights are 40, 41. So decimal. So 41. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to 41 square centimeters. This is the answer, children. So here, what is given? They are asking to find the area of a rhombus whose diagonals are given 10 centimeters and 8.2 centimeters. So D1 is 10, D2 is 8.2. Area of rhombus is half D1, D2. Half into 10 into 8.2. That is 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 into 8.2, 41. 41 square centimeters is the area. Please note it down, children. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.